Okay, now we display how to control this zone. SNRC S20. Okay, first we open the zone power, push it, and then push the place. Okay, the controller. We open the controller power. Now the flash is the light flash. Okay, the light no flash is one up and down, up, down. Okay, now we introduce this controller. This key is one key take off and one key landing. Okay, this key. Which one is the headless mode and long press is the one key back. This one is flip. Okay, take total and take video. And this one is the speed control, 1 to 3 kind of speed. And this 4 key. If the zone go one side, go left side, you can click this one to find the direction. Okay, now we display it. Click one key start. Okay, one key start. Okay, like this. One key take off. Okay, now we display how to link the Wi-Fi control. Link the Wi-Fi name like this one. VS this one. Okay, and wait some minutes. Okay, after it link, we open the app. We download before. App is one. App. Okay. Click this. Okay. Like this. And then we insert the phone in the controller. Like this. Aha, like this. Okay, now we can control it again. One key take off. Okay, like this. One key landing. Okay, thank you.